So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add FAQs to your website in Duda website builder. So the first thing you want to do is open up your website builder or website editor. On there you can see layers, theme, pages, widgets, media, content, personalized, sell online, and stuff like that. Now on here, if you just scroll down a bit, you can do a couple of things. So I've just added a section by clicking this plus sign, and then you can see design, and you can just create an empty design. Now if I click on the plus sign, it's going to take me to widgets, but you could have just clicked on widgets by yourself on there. So if I just close down this and open it up again, you can see stuff is opening up here. So if you want to add FAQs, there isn't a direct way anymore to add FAQs. You will need to use embedding, and that means that you will need to use some third-party tools like Common Ninja or Elfsight, which will help you bring your widgets to your website. So through here you can see some of the popular, trending, and new widgets that they have. You can also go, as I said, to Elfsight, and on here you can see your catalog and create through here. So on here you can just type in FAQ and you can see the FAQs that they give you as a sort of widget that you can publish on here and then utilize in your website builder by adding the HTML form there. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Duda website or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.